Hi people, namaste, sashakal, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is my cute garden. So guys, today we will talking about this cute, beautiful, pyara sa succulent. I bought this succulent from nursery just ₹90. I know it's very small, but yeah, succulent थोड़े महंगे तो होते हैं ना. Anyway, come to the point. Let me tell you the right way to propagate this succulent. Not this succulent, I mean any kind of succulent. So here first we have to collect the leaves like this. तो हम क्या करेंगे, just softly turn out the leaves and it will separate. Now we gonna make soil mixture for succulents. So here we have compost, sand and soil. Mix them well and put it in any container. I use ice cream box. After putting whole mixture in ice cream box, before putting leaves, water it with the help of spray bottle. Now putting leaves one by one on it. Make sure guys, upper one should be upper and down one should be downward. Note down the date, November 30. December 25, here the result. Guys, I put different succulent leaves here. Its growth is just wow. Its roots and baby plants so beautifully work, and here its leaves slowly growing. 3rd Jan, result you can see. Now on 15th Jan, after this 22nd Jan, I think it is similar to 15th Jan result. So yeah, that's all about this video. अब ये जब बड़े हो जाएंगे, then I'll shift them in seedling tray like this. Thank you guys for watching my videos and appreciating my work.